Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about our single highest earning video on our YouTube channel. Alright, so this video right here was done by my business partner, Arit, and it is a video about Etsy where she is explaining the breakdown of how payment works and the cost of selling on Etsy. And this right now is our single highest earning video on our channel, and I'll show you how much it's made in just a second. But you can see here this video was released last year, January 14th, 2019, and it has about 186,000 views. So it's not like viral, crazy viral, where it has like 1 million views. This video has less than 200,000, and if you look at the grand scheme of things, and viral videos and people's channels that make way more views than we do, you would think that you would need way more views to get the amount of income that we did. But if you understand YouTube ads, you'll know that certain topics make more than other topics. So for instance, if this was like a vlog video, it probably wouldn't make the same amount that it has. Because it's talking about Etsy, a lot of people who are entrepreneurs probably run ads on this specific video. And my business partner, Arit, she's the one who does all of the SEO, so search engine optimization. She is titling things accordingly, putting the description, the tags, so that our video can get found. So before I head over to the earnings of that actual video, you guys might be interested in some other earnings videos that we've done. So I've done 3 YouTube earnings videos, the amount that we make as a whole on our channel. And I did 3 of them. One when we were at 20,000 subscribers, here at 22,000 subscribers, and the latest one when we were at 26,000 subscribers. And I'm doing these videos to show you guys what a typical tutorial-based channel makes. So you guys can check out those videos down in the description below. Alright, so as you see here, I'm on the analytics part of our YouTube channel, and this shows the amounts that each video has made. And the video that I just showed you in the beginning, Cost of Selling on Etsy 2019, this video has generated 4,193 US, and we are here in Vancouver, Canada, so I'm going to convert that. We get paid in Canadian dollars when you connect your bank account to your Google AdSense account. That's how you get paid, and it automatically converts into Canadian. So this one video, this has made us $5,575 Canadian, with less than 200,000 views, sitting at 186,000. And even though it's a video from 2019 last year, it is still earning ad revenue every day to this day. And people really like this video. As you can see, it has 8,000 likes and only 189 dislikes. And it's actually quite a long video. It's a 19-minute video. And there are tons of comments. There's 809 comments. And we still get comments multiple times a day for this video. And it's pretty cool to see that one video can generate this much amount. To be honest, when we were putting this video out on our channel, I didn't know exactly that this video was going to go quote-unquote viral. And it actually didn't even pick up until 3 months later. This video was released on January 14th, 2019, but it did not start picking up until March. Up until, for the first 3 months, it pretty much had like 100 views or so, less than 200 views. And then 3 months later, it really started to pick up. And it's still our best performing video to this date. So that is a little snapshot of our highest earning video on our YouTube channel currently. Like I said, I made some other videos talking about our earnings as a whole on our channel, and you can see the growth of it from 20,000 all the way to 26,000, and then from 20, 22, and then 26. You guys can check those videos out because our income has grown since the 20,000 subscriber video that I did. So let me know in the comment section down below what your highest earning video is. I'd love to see those numbers. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.